I've been making art for as long as I can remember, drawing or wanting to make things or just making a mess just for the fun of it. My name's Maxine Aiello. I'm a psychology and art studio double major. Having both of them, they kind of complement each other, and I learn in my art classes I can apply in my psych classes and vice versa. I've had a lot of ideas. I always kind of think of myself as doing a lot of different things in my life, trying to just gain experience in as many different ways and apply them to hopefully help people. My sculpture project I worked on last quarter was an installation of 14 mirrors all over campus that were set in the little holes of trees with accompanying tags on each one that had a little message about the earth or the environment. And I've gotten a lot of positive feedback from people I know on campus and people I have never met about just how that's made them feel and made them realize their presence. Coming to college and being around so many other artists has been really encouraging and kind of encouraged me to accept that this is what I love and this is what I hope to do. I think I've just gotten increasingly more passionate about it. I don't think there's anything else I've done that gives me as much satisfaction at the end. I'm just grateful that I can experience it.